one of the first things that I did was put my wig on the wig stand on the edge of my table, and then I took my 30 volume developer and my bleach, my BW bleach, and I put it in the hair. I'm so sorry I did not get enough of the video footage to show you how I actually applied all of the bleach, but I literally just took the bleach and slathered it inside of the hair. Like, I kind of parted it a bit, but I wasn't really sure what I was doing because this was my first time bleaching hair, so I just kind of did what I felt was the best, you know, if that makes sense. When I was done, I just took the wig and I rinsed it out with some shimmering light shampoo, you know, that purple shampoo that everybody uses, and then I blow dried it out, and I just let it sit out for a little while before the next day, and I started the cutting process. So at first I was going to take the clippers and just kind of like trim up the hair the way I saw fit, but then I decided to use some scrunchies, some little small rubber bands, and kind of tie off the ends of the hair so that I could have a more precise cut. And I just took a pair of scissors first and cut off the excess hair, and then I went back in with the clippers and cleaned it up. I figured that this would be a better way to cut my hair because I've never really cut hair or cut a bob before without using my scissors, with using clippers, so I figured that this would be a better way to have a precise, clean cut bob. So next I took a door in Cajun Spice, and I had about 2 bottles of that, and then this Shea Moisture conditioner, and I put it in this white bowl. It's just a little around the house bowl, and I squeezed out half the bottle, but then I ended up using the whole bottle and then using another one of the dyes, and I put a dollop of the conditioner inside of it. I'm not really sure why I did that. I saw someone else do it to dilute the dye so that you would have more, and then I put on some gloves, and then I just applied the conditioner everywhere that the hair was lightened, and I let it sit on the hair for I think about a day. And yeah, I just went through the hair, combed it out and stuff, sectioned it, and again just applied the dye everywhere that the hair was lightened. Lastly, just to complete the look, I took my Babe Bliss flat iron, and I think it was on 30. I did not make it too hot, and I just went into the hair and gave it a slight underneath bump. Sometimes I like my hair to be straight after I just blow dried it, so I don't even flat iron it, but I wanted to have a slight bump, and that's it.